Good morning, everyone. So, I'm gonna be putting a trim underneath the peak of the roof from there to there. And instead of having it like that, 90 degree, um, my friend just didn't care and just told me to do it like that. But what I did, I'm gonna be doing that, applying that blue, that light, almost white looking board, but it's actually blue, like baby blue. So what I did is I cut it to size, and I grabbed this thing here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this like if it was already on here, like this is the board. So now that this is the board, I know that if I drew a straight line here, I know that I could do that now. So see, I was drawing some lines there. So if I have a straight line like this, see, that's a straight line. So if this is a straight line, then when I have this here like this, and I know that this is straight because that's the same width of the board. So now I have that mark here, and I'm gonna bend it or cut it or something there. I'm gonna mark it. So that looks right there, looks good. So I know now when I put this on the board like this, I can use this as a template, and I know exactly where to cut it. So now I'm going to do the same thing over here. Like if this was the long board, but I'm just using the two ends, and then I could just trash it once I'm done. So I'm going to do that now. So assuming the board is on here, see, it would stop originally right here, but since it's cardboard, I can get it to go in. Then I know that I can cut it right here, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but I mean, there's some people that are very articulate, so this would be kind of good right there. And it can also be done, this method can also be done with the paper, to easily bend it like that or something, right? So yeah, but anyway, now I know my cuts there. But what I forgot to do over here is was to kind of mark where it's going to end. So right there, I mean, I can go more in and create more of a peak, but since my friend didn't really care about doing this all the way, I'm not gonna worry about it too much. So that's good right there. So I'm gonna mark it right there. But originally, you would have something like this, right? And then that mark will go all the way in, all the way over here, like that. Something like this, right? Like that. That's the way it should be. And maybe I still can do it this way. I guess I should, just to be picky. But I'm gonna put the measuring tape here, from here, and I'm gonna measure up to the peak. And that's how I'm gonna do my board. So it could be straight or whatever. So it's at I'm gonna measure the top. Oh shoot. The top of it. And this thing is broken, so it's giving me problems. So it's at 82 and 5/8. Yeah, 82 and 5/8. So that's what I'll be cutting the board on, or as. And then obviously '82 and 5/8. I gotta remember that. Or write it down. 82 and 5/8. So basically, when I cut it, you guys will see how it looks. So I guess I could pause it because I have that feature on my Samsung phone. Okay, so I cut it, and like I said, this is the same width as the board, and this was this cut here. I cut it here, and that lines up with the line. Then this line over here, and the board is 82 and 5/8. So I cut that to its required length or whatever to fill this area. And this is the board that will go here. And for some reason, it's preventing, I think this here, this board here for some reason is not allowing this to go all the way up. So I probably have to remove that and get that fixed. But anyways, I just wanted to show this quick way to, to do this. And obviously I kind of rushed it because of the video and stuff, but it's a quick way to do it, and to get in a precise cut. And I guess that it can be done as long as you have a straight line here from the peak, and you get the measurement that is required, the width, or the width of the wood that you're using. And then you could use cardboard, you could use paper, just about anything. So it's like more like a graph for carpenters, a graph paper or something for carpenters idea. So that's pretty much it. And the reason it works is because Obviously, you could bend it and stuff. So, hope you guys like this. Helping my friend build his house. And yeah, it's looking really good. Hope you guys have a good day. God bless. It's beautiful out here. Check it out. Because I don't really care about the views. Who views my shit. So if you want to just stop now, stop watching now, you can. I just burped, excuse me. So, yeah, that's just one way to do it. And obviously I gotta get this fixed and nailed. But it's ready to go. See? Put that there. And that's down there. So that's what my friend should have fucking done. But I'm trying not to talk shit. You know? Swear. Like, I mean, if it was a doghouse, I could fucking understand. But a fucking house? I mean, Lord forgive me for talking shit, but fuck.